Hey, glad you're here. Guess what? The shop's still a mess. But today we're working on solving some of that and adding in new dust collection that's got 4-inch pipe. And we're also, instead of buying all them expensive gates for blocking off each piece, we built some. Now we have our own little dust gates. Over here we've got a few more. We'll have hookups along the wall here. This one I'm finishing. We've got a good deal on a Grizzly dust collector. So the shop vac right now has been retired until I may use it on the miter saw and stuff like that if I need to. Otherwise, this would be the new system. I also tied it into our old system. So now we still collect our dust in the barrel. Any overflow will go into the bag on the Grizzly system. Drill press right now is over here, but I think it's going to go over there, and the compressor is going to go on the other side of the door and build a little shed out there for it to get it out of the shop. Still got our laser over there. Yeah, we've got a mess. Sawdust everywhere. And the bench, well, it's under there somewhere. Hopefully by the end of today we can find it. So follow along. I'll keep you informed on what's going on today. Have a great day and God bless.